Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3T. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, go to voice match. First let me select language. Enable voice match, tap next, agree, and now say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, tap finish, and now let's try it out. OK Google, now we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen, and now make sure that this function is also enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.